I've heard it said before that life is like a marathon. There are up and downhill battles, pain, success, failures, and victories. Even though it may feel difficult at times, impossible to finish, or the end is never in sight, crossing the finish line is the greatest victory you have. Because no matter how fast or slow you ran, or how many stops you had to take along the way, God can give you the strength to finish strong.
Kels, how you feeling?
Nervous.
T-minus 5 minutes until the nonsense begins. This is Kelsey's first. Jeannie's runs all the time. How many of these have you done?
3 or 4.
Okay, so she's experienced, and this is first. So we look really happy right now. We'll see how we feel in an hour and a half.
3, 2, 1,
Kelsey has been fighting sickness all week. She went to the doctor, got antibiotics, and she's still running. Alright, checking in. A little over mile 1. Kelsey's feeling it a little bit. But I think that's probably just the build-up of the sickness, and she hasn't run in a few days, so.
Run in a week.
Yeah, she'll get warmed up here in a little bit. I think by mile 3 we'll get in our zone. Woo! 1 to 10, how are we feeling?
Like 10 being good.
Yes.
5.
Oh, okay. We have some adversity today. Kelsey, look, I had a band come just for you. They're playing for you. Yeah! Yeah! Break me! So we're like 3.5, a little over. Kelsey's pushing through the pain. She's dying. That's okay. We're all dying. Moral of this whole video: she's an animal, and she inspires me. We do need to make that pace a little bit faster. Let's get her going. Just past 6 miles. Almost halfway.
something I wouldn't dare to think I would be doing. And you go round.
Just got a good back crack.
That really did help. I feel like I can breathe a little bit.
But just hit mile 7.
Did we? Did we pass that Chilton? I don't think we did.
We didn't pass mile 7. We're about to pass mile 7.
That last mile was a long mile. It was a struggle.
It came up on us so fast, but just saw Kelsey's family. I think it just gave her a little boost. And she was able to get rid of her jacket.
Oh,
So she feels lighter. We are officially, everything from here on out is over the halfway point. She's gonna do it. Mile 8. Mile 8. Mile 9. There's Kelseyville. A little over a 5K left. And then she's in the bag. Mile 11. And I think the next time we're gonna check in is gonna be when we hit the finish line. Got this, babe. Let's finish strong.
finish a half marathon in 2 hours and 43 minutes at a, 12-minute
12-minute pace.
pace, which,
Exactly what you wanted.
I mean, I wanted to be under, but that's okay.
Yeah, it was a little lower. It was like 12:14.
Because I was struggling, and it was hilly, needless to say. Even if you're sick, even if you're on your period, you can do it.
Exactly.
Because I just did.
Absolutely. Super proud of her. She's an absolute beast. She inspires me. She should inspire you.
Now to be sore for 12 days.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give us a big like. Let us know if you've ever run a half marathon and where you did it. See you, Journeyers.